So you may have seen this video on TikTok. We're going to find out whether this product is a good product to sell on Amazon or not. And we're going to see, is it possible to still find potential products that are new and still selling well on Amazon? Let's do this. So as you guys saw, we have a bubble launcher out here, and you can see we have the bubble launcher, and you can source it for anywhere between $4 or $5. Let's see, we got more here, somewhere in $2. Look for the more of like the square cannon ones. We got 6, 3s, 5s, 4s. Okay, so we're gonna say somewhere around $3 is reasonable to launch this product with. $3 sourcing price, of course. And now we're on Amazon right now, so we're just searching in bubble launcher. Really what I'm focusing on at this moment is seeing, is there enough demand for this product, and is there a lot of low review sellers that are still doing well, right? And we want to see that they're doing over 5,000, 10,000, etc. So I'm using Helium 10 for me to be able to see all of this information. And if you guys want to use Helium 10, I do have a link down below in the description for you guys to get a discount code. It is an affiliate link, so you win, I win, we all win. So here I am on Helium 10, and we have some numbers here. I like to organize revenue from high to low, but also afterwards I want to filter out the products just so that they're relevant. And really what we want to see is just this type of style. So it kind of looks like a big bazooka type of thing, right? So we want to get rid of things like this that are not really the same product. So let me filter this out. All right, so now we have more of the same products. Basically, it's basically all the same type of products. You'll see that the price range is anywhere between $35 to $40, and you'll see that we have a lot of sellers here that are doing over $10,000. We got a person here doing $86,000 with only 46 reviews, a person doing $50,000 with only 55 reviews, and $33,000 with 26 reviews. So that's pretty insane. So clearly there is low competition, but there's high demand. But from here, what do we do next? Now we kind of want to take a look at estimated profit margins. So using Helium 10 again, I'm going to be able to click on a listing and then pull out the profitability calculator. And that way I can get an estimate about how much it's going to profit if I decide to sell it. So I'm going to put about $4 for the manufacturing cost. They already include the freight cost or the shipping cost already. So you see here, if you were to sell this product, you could possibly have nearly a 50% profit margin or $20 profit per unit that you sell. Of course, this is before PPC, but this is really, really good numbers, because after PPC, you could probably have anywhere between a 30 to 40% profit margin, which is still great. Now, another thing I want to do is check seasonality of the product. So what I want to do is just type a generic description of the product. In this case, it's going to be a bubble gun. And I just want to take a look at just the trends of it in the last maybe 2 years or so. So what I'm going to do is just kind of take a look at this, and I'm just going to go back like 2 years. Okay, and you'll see here that there's some spikes, and there's some more spikes, and there's some more lows. So we can see here it has a lot of relevancy during the summertime, which is May or around this time. And you can see it gets pretty low down here. So this product might have some seasonality to it, so I would tread carefully about this. This might actually be more of a seasonal type of product, which isn't always bad, right? It's not always a bad thing, but when you do get into seasonal products, you do have to be more careful about your inventory. So maybe as a beginner, I wouldn't fully recommend it because it has some seasonality to it, but it also has some giftability to it, considering that it is a toy as well. So overall, in my opinion, not too bad of a first potential product here. It is found on TikTok. You also want to be aware about trendy products, but it doesn't seem like this could be more of a trendy product because it's still in general a bubble gun. Now you can see here as well, when you take a look at the ratings of this product, you'll see that there's 4 stars, less than 4 stars, 3 stars, and there's not really anyone with 4.5 or 5 stars, which means this product is bad. Like as far as like the way it works. So there needs to be some kind of improvements made. So if you can come in here, improve the product, you could really do really well with this product. If you can differentiate unique selling points into this and actually provide more value to where the product is can be rated high. So that is my overall analysis of this product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more product analysis videos like this, comment down below, let me know. And of course, if you guys want to learn how to sell products on Amazon, be sure to hit the link in the description where we are accepting clients and students into the academy. Go ahead and book a call with me and my team, and we'll see if we can help you out. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.